Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get a great looking Windows 11 theme just like this on a Microsoft Store for completely free. First thing, make sure that you are running Windows 11 latest version 25H2. As you can see, this theme looks amazing. Now I will show you some of the other wallpaper that comes with this theme. If I right click on my desktop and click on the next desktop background, it will show you the image that comes with this theme. They look very stunning compared to the default Windows 11 theme that you get with the default installation. So let me just open up my Microsoft Store. Once you open the Microsoft Store, on the left hand sidebar, you will see the theme tab. Click on the theme tab. Explore Windows theme in the Microsoft Store. You will be able to see the available theme for you. Now keep one thing in your mind, that not all of these themes are built or developed by Microsoft. Some of them are actually built by third-party developers. Let me just click on a couple of these themes and I will show you what I mean by that. So if I click on this theme, it is called Razer Official Theme, and if I scroll down, you will see that it is developed by Razer USA. So just come in here and read a little bit of information before you download the theme. You'll be able to read the rating and reviews as well and get an idea how it's going to work or how it's going to look alike. So while we are here, let me just click on apply theme. Now what is this going to do is this is going to download the theme to your local computer. So let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so the theme has been downloaded to my local computer. So I'm just going to close off my Microsoft Store. So let me just right click and click on personalize again. And after you have come to personalization window, click on themes. In here, you will be able to see all the downloaded themes. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the new theme that we just downloaded. And I'm going to close off this window. As you can see, it looks stunning, and if you were to right click on it and click on next desktop background, you'll be able to change through these wallpapers according to your taste. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and have a good day.